Hey, my Houston peeps, I'm doing a video on open houses. So Dwayne had said, why don't you come down here? And it's really easier for me to do a video. So number one, log into MLS and do a home search. And there's a way that you can do a home search like a mile from your address. So you'll type in your address. It'll say blank miles from. You'll type in your address. It'll auto-populate. You'll select it. Pick a mile, 2 miles, 3 miles. Go to price and go 300-600 or 300-800 and get a price range of homes. Hit results. You'll have a single line of each property. Open up each MLS number, scroll to the bottom, and you'll just say something like this via text. Hey, this is Dwayne. I'm with a different brokerage, DHs Realty. I live a mile from your listing. I was wondering if I could do an open house this weekend, 12 to 3. You will get an open house. You just have to be resilient. So once they say yes, then you'll ask them if they'll advertise it in the MLS, and that way it goes all over Realtor.com, Zillow. Share it on your Facebook. Text me that you put it on your Facebook, and I will share it everywhere. Then you're going to log into MLS. You're going to print out probably 15 to 20 agent customer reports, or get in touch with Brooks Kelly. His information is every week I put a sponsor list together. So his sponsor, he's on the sponsor list. I'm about to post it today. Put all those numbers in your phone. Text Brooks Kelly and say, hey, can I get an account with listings.com? And what he'll do is he'll send you a graphic that you can print for the open house. So you're able to go in and edit your own listings and things like that. But if you don't do that, then there's a way to print customer full reports on the MLS. Print about 15 to 20 of those customer full reports, and then do a search for everything active in that subdivision and print those out so that you can make appointments during your open house for those listings. And if nobody shows, then just cancel the showings. But that way, if a buyer walks in, then you're able to go ahead and lock that home up. Or if you have another person, they can stay there with the house and you can go show them the home knowing that it already got approved for an appointment. If the agent calls and says, hey, I noticed you made an appointment and you didn't show it, just say the buyer had a flat tire. All right. Then you're going to go to back agent, log in under office, documents, quick resources, scroll down to about the middle, and there's an open house sign-in sheet. Print 3 or 4 of those. Buy a little table in case you do a vacant home. Buy a little table for like $59 at Hobby Lobby or Best Buy or Home Depot that you can screw in 3 legs, because you always want a table by the front door. You put the sign-in sheet there. You put all the free shit in the kitchen. And then when somebody opens the door, you go, hey, I'm Dwayne with DHs Realty. If you'll sign in right there, I'll grab you a graphic in the kitchen. As they go to sign in, start walking to the kitchen, turn around and say this exactly. Hey, be sure to put your realtor down so I can protect them in case you like the house. I don't want to take a commission from your realtor. They'll look at you and either say they have a realtor and they'll put it down, or they'll say, oh, I don't have a realtor. And that's when you know that your salesmanship ability comes in. You need to talk about the sun. There's a shade in the east and the southeast, the northeast, that we want a patio facing east, northeast, or southeast. Split bedrooms, master down, watering our foundation, point the sprinkler in the garage and talk about watering your foundation every day or every other day for 10 to 15 minutes around the foundation with a soaker hose or a sprinkler. And then tell them you're going to be their advocate, and then once they leave, text them your electronic business card, send them a video like I'm doing. It gets people to know you. But that's basically it. And then it's going to be a follow-up. Do another search for them. Send it to them via MLS, a portal of homes that are the same criteria. And just be yourself. There's no spiel or script to open house. It's about being yourself. So hopefully this helps. It's under 5 minutes. It's a good video on open houses for my Houston peeps. Boing!